YouTube? It's your boy DJ Prince John. We're back at it today with another video. Today we're going to be doing a little repair on this crank journal and get my new rod bearing put back in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support me so I can keep on doing the dang thing. But right now I'm just trying to get this thing sanded down from where it did a little bit of damage to the crank, a little scoring. I ain't going to get it perfect, I know that, but I'm just trying to get it where I can maybe get like another month out of the car until I get my other engine rebuilt. But I'm just going to do this, and then I'll get back with y'all when I put the rod bearing back in. Alright, back with it, YouTube. It's snowing out here. Trying to get this done. It's getting a little cold. But let's get this piston up. Put the rod bearing on the back side of it. YouTube, do not get on to me. I know I'm not supposed to be touching metal like that in the engine, but I gotta get this piston up. Spray a little bit of brake cleaner on it. I really should clean the back side of this piston right here, but I don't want to take this to the machine shop. And when you install this new bearing, you want to make sure that it is bone dry on the actual rod cap. You don't want no lube on the cap side of the bearing. Make sure it's completely bone dry. Get the new bearing, and there's a groove right here. You can see it right there. There's a groove. Put that new bearing in there. And it sits down and just like that. Clicks in, and then you want to put a little bit of, I got Lucas assembly oil. I'll leave a link in the bio where I got it. Picked it up from Amazon. Just want to put, stole my screwdriver. Come on, engine. See, this is why you don't put tools in your engine. Just want to put a small bit of this. A little bit goes a long way. Put a little dab. Well, that's way too much, actually. I'm just gonna smear it on there. You want to put some around the crank, the journal. I'll use some of that. Put it around the crank journal. Back side underneath. Pull the piston up. Around that. Get your other rod bearing. Make sure this cap is really dry. No, don't put no lube on it. It causes it to spin, start knocking again. Make sure it's real dry. And then you want to put this right there, right where that lip is. Right there like that. Sit in there just like that. And there's pins in here that fit, so it only goes one way. So these are kind of opposite, like these little notches right here. And then you want to get a little bit of that lube. That's a little bit too much, but hey, I'll wipe some of it off. You want to put your cap on. Alright, and then you want to put your bolts in. And I got the book here, right here. It says right here, you're going to tighten it to 21 pounds, foot-pounds on the torque wrench. Then you're going to loosen it. Then you're going to go back to 18 and you're going to put it at 90 degrees additional. Okay, YouTube, I actually got the 12 point right here. So we're going to tighten these rod caps to 21 foot-pounds, and then we're going to loosen them. And you'll wait till it clicks. Do the second one. Alright, 21 right there. You heard it click. Alright, now you want to loosen them back off. Take them back loose. And then you want to change to 18 foot-pounds. Alright, then you want to tighten them both back. And then you want to tighten it to 18, and then you want to go additional 90 degrees, as it says in the manual. Hit click. Tighten both of them. Alright, so that's 18. Now I'm going to go additional 90 degrees. I'm kind of going to guesstimate it because I don't have a degree wheel. So that's 90 degrees from what I just saw. I don't recommend just eyeballing it, but I'm using the K on the socket and I'm just rotating it 90 degrees. So I'm going to go like that. And that's 90 degrees. Alright, before you want to put everything back together, you want to rotate the crank a few times. Make sure there's no binding or anything like that. Make sure there's no noise. I'll rotate it one more time just to make sure. Alright, and that does it. There's no more knocky. Alright, YouTube, if you just want to like, comment, subscribe, thank you for supporting my channel, and y'all have a good day.